You know that NIM is a statically typed language, but you don't know how to assign types? Don't worry, in this video we are going to cover what is a type, how to assign one, and what are the basic types for you to get started. In programming, a type is essentially a classification or category that describes the nature of a value or expression. Types are used to define the structure and behavior of data within a program. They allow programmers to specify what kinds of values can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments to functions, and returned as results from functions. In NIM, you can assign types to variables and expressions using a combination of syntax and keywords. For example, to assign an integer value to a variable named x, you could use the following code. In this case, int is the type of the value being assigned to x. The colon indicates that a type is being specified. And the equal sign is the assignment operator that assigns the value to the variable. NIM supports a variety of basic types, including integers used to represent whole numbers, floating point numbers used to represent numbers with decimal points, booleans used to represent true-false values, characters used to represent individual characters in a string, strings used to represent sequences of characters, and finally tuples used to represent groups of values often of different types. These basic types can be combined and manipulated to create more complex data structures and types, such as objects, classes, and enums. By using types effectively, programmers can create more reliable, maintainable, and efficient code. And that's it. You can now write solid and strongly typed code. Thanks for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video.